learn about the getPass model to handle passwords at runtime. The getPass model in Python prompt the user to enter a password without echoing. Okay, so the getPass model is used to handle the password prompt whenever program interact with a user through the terminal. Let me go and create an example here, okay, or a project actually for password, so you understand this better. First, I'm going to import this getPass, and also I am going to import RE. RE means regex. What is regex? Regex is the regular expression. It allows you to create pattern and search within a pattern, within some string, some word, some specific things, and you want that. Okay, so let's go create a function here. This function is going to be prompt for password. Okay, and down here inside this I'm going to use a while loop here while it is true. You know how to create a while loop, right? So I'm going to ask for the password. So this password is going to be hidden, or we are going to use getPass to get this password. We are not going to ask the user to input. Okay, so I'm going to use getPass dot getPass, and in here I'm going to ask him to enter your password, and when I got the password, then I can check it. Okay, if I'm going to create a new function here, okay, is for example valid password, and then I will put the password as argument or parameter. Okay, right now we don't have this is valid password. Okay, I will create this later, and if that is the true, that means if that return true, then we can print a success message here. Okay, and it is going to be the password, for example, accepted, and after that we can close the program by using break. After this I'm going to go with else. Maybe the password is not, then we can print another statement. This is going to be invalid password, please try again, something like this. Okay, now that this function is completed, it is time to go and create that function is a valid password. Okay, so let's go and create that. Okay, is underscore valid password. So here we're going to have the password as input or argument, and let's go here use an if statement. If length of the password, first check for the length. If it is greater or equal to each character, okay, and also use and here. Then search, use RE, which is the regex. Okay, search for a pattern. So I will use search. Search is a function of regex. Okay, and here I am going to search for this kind of pattern. Okay, I'm going to search for A to Z all capital. This is one of the pattern that I'm going to search. I'm going to search this within the password. Okay, and also let's add one more and here, and this time it is going to be re.search, and let's use this time A to Z all lowercase. Okay, and what are you going to search this within? It's going to be the password. Okay, and if this is true, then we can return true here. Okay, if length of the password is 8 characters, and also there is uppercase and also there is a lowercase, then we can return true. And in else part, I'm going to just return false. Just this one, okay? And also we can, okay, just this one, no more thing. And down here, let's call the function. What is the function? It is from prompt for password. Let's use Control S to save it and run it. Okay, use new terminal and then go to input, use Python. What is this? It is getPass.py and hit enter. So when I hit enter, it is telling me that type error, model object is not callable. Okay, here we have some error, password getPass.getPass, and right over here, okay, we have an error here. Okay, I will handle that in a moment. Okay, actually this is not the error is something else, because we have the getPass itself. I named this by the name of getPass, and also the library or the module is also getPass. I need to just change its name to something else, like let's go with input getPass, to something else, anything. Okay, and I'm going to run it again by using Python, and it's getPass input getPass.py and hit enter. This time it is telling me that enter your password. For example, I'm using 123456 and QWER and hit enter. It is telling me that invalid password, please try again. This time I'm going to provide a strong password. Okay, 12345 and Q with capital WERT and hit enter, and you see that the password accepted. So here we use getPass. Okay, while I'm typing the password, you will not be able to see the password here because it's hidden. Okay, we use getPass right over here to hide the password when we provide it.